Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Discord password tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Discord password, open the Discord app or website on your device. Navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Type in your email address and click the Send Password Reset link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Discord. If you don't see the email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure the new password meets the security requirements. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click the Reset Password button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating your password has been successfully reset. You can now return to the login page and enter your email and new password. Log into your account and ensure everything works correctly. If you encounter any issues, repeat the process or check for typos in your email or new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.